Training is very important, simply because, as I mentioned before, these systems require some knowledge and some know-how to make sure that they're operated and maintained properly. And over time, we found a lot of our customers, our maintenance staffs will change over time. The people who know everything about the dust collectors may, get promoted to a new role or move, and then you have a new batch of people. So we certainly recommend dust collection system training on a yearly basis to make sure the new people are trained up, to make sure that your existing staff gets their refreshers and they know what to do to keep their systems running. We have several different training options. We'll go on site and do classroom style training. We'll go walk the systems with your people. We'll help them do their jobs for maintenance and operations of these systems. We also have online training, so you can sign them up and they can do that once a year as a refresher training to make sure that that know-how remains intact and you don't see what we so often see, which is kind of a drift in maintenance over the years to where the dust collection systems then become obsolete. They're not performing. They need a bunch of money to get them back up to speed.